when I first scanned the ground, it was a jumpy 50s and 60s, and then I made an attempt at popping a plug, but it, as you can see, the roots and all kind of interfered. But after I got that much ground open, the signal got really good. So I figured I would try to do a live dig. I hope it's not trash. Come on, be a big silver dollar or something, man. Ooh, what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, is it gonna be a buckle? Oh, look at that. Ooh, a sweet little buckle right here in the front yard. Yes, sir. Dirt hogs, we'll take it.